Rolling on I'm a star. I like errands. People on the internet. I'm a serene robot. And that's loving and the name is this podcast. Alright. Rolling. And the name is Snail.
Okay, so that's what my intro would sound like if I was like a zombie or something like that. So yeah, today this is another episode of the Not Another WordPress podcast where I will be going over how to connect a domain to your WordPress website. And let's say you need to replace your domain. I will show you how to delete that domain and, just I already show you how to add one. Okay, let's just get into it. Okay, so you're at your dashboard. Click upgrades, and your little pop out, like a drop down menu, but to the side is gonna come out, and you click on domains, right? And then it's gonna have add a domain with a plus sign. And you click that. Then you use domain I own. You search for your domain, and then it's gonna want you to add the DNS records. And so what that is your name server stuff. So you go to whichever whatever place you buy your domains at. I am not going to tell you where I buy my domains because that's insecure. But I will be logging in as soon as I remember. Oh. Okay. So you're going to want to go to the DNS records. Okay, DNS records. And then I'm still logging in. So find the domain you want. Go to the DNS records. And then go to name servers. And WordPress gives you 3 name servers. So ns1.wordpress.com, ns2.wordpress.com, ns3.wordpress.com. You add those to the custom DNS. Click OK, and it should work in like 5 to 10 minutes. It depends on your domain registrar. And now alexedmonds.net is now smashingthemes.xyz. Okay, so let's say you're done with your domain and you want to use a new domain, or your domain expires and GoDaddy bought it and now you can't buy it again for less than $100. So how do you delete your domain? Well, you click the 3 dots. You click on the domain name and you scroll at the very bottom and it says delete. Remove this domain connection permanently. You click that. Then it says share feedback, blah blah blah. Remove product. Removing. And Yadunsky. Yes. Okay. Then you go to my sites. Yeah, that's domains. And now when you look at your domains, you just see the one, and you go to that one, and you're done. Okay. Yeah, that's WordPress and domain names. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.